We have two tables, users and tenants, both having ID and name columns. Then we have a third table, which is tenant users, which is used to establish a relationship between users, and user ID and tenant ID are foreign key from users and tenant table respectively. So now there comes case when we can update or delete record in the users table. Let's say we have some data in the users table and that ID is linked to a tenant. So there will be an entry in this table in which user ID will be there, tenant ID will be there. So let's say we update this ID. So by default, it will not let you update. It will throw you an error. So you can handle it by adding the foreign key constant, which is basically one of these four types: cascade, restrict, set null, set default. Same goes with on deletion. Cascade does it is a snowball effect. Like the action which you do in this table or in this column will reflect here. Let's say you update this ID, so this ID will also be updated. If you delete this ID, a record from this table will also be deleted. Now on restrict, it will throw an error. By default, it is restrict. And if set null, then on deleting this thing, the user ID will be set to null. And all setting default, it will set to the default value of the column.